Season greetings to each and everyone this morning, this afternoon, this evening. How you all doing? I hope you're in this festive season, and I hope that each and every person be safe. Today I'm gonna make a little rice and peas. But first, here with my peas. I like a lot of peas. Yes, when I'm making rice and peas, I like a lot of peas in it. Although, they have a term that they said, oh, it's swell. I'm not soaking it. I did not soak it. To me, there's no need to soak it. It doesn't take long. So I'm just gonna wash my peas. And then bring here. Make sure there is no, nothing inside of it. Wash my peas, and this is the way we strain it. Hold it up like this, and we pour it, and we hold it. See, I got one. I put it back. I got another one. Put it back. And we wash our peas. Need another wash. Now we use, if you're Jamaican, we tend to use coconut milk in our peas. But for me, I put the coconut milk when this is closely to cook. Yes, because if you have some people that pour the coconut milk along with the water and let they cook together. But I think that, their time it dries out. And if it dries out, that means the coconut milk gonna dries out as well. So I'm gonna let it cook. When I see, I tend to test it kind of soft or getting close to soft, then I pour my milk in. Yes, and my seasoning, my scallion, my thyme, my pepper, and everything. Okay, I'll show you as I go along. Wash our peas. What I normally do, I put a little salt. Although it's the peas, I don't ready to season, but I like the peas cooked with a little salt. Yeah. Tasty as well. And that's enough. We're putting enough water, and this is garlic. Okay, it's easy. We pull this away. We pull this away, and we're gonna wash our garlic. So I put a little salt, and then I put my garlic. Yes, and we normally clean up as we go along. And then I'm gonna put it on the stove. So it's now 11:20. So I cover my pot, and I put this away, and I'm gonna put it on the stove. Before I put it on the stove, I like to wipe off my pot. So you don't want to put the wet pot on. And this is our peas. Welcome back to my rice and peas journey. I put in the peas on from about 11:45, and then my peas was cooked soft by 10 to 1. Yes, my peas was soft. Then after putting in the coconut milk, I put in my scallion, my pepper, my thyme, and taste. Yes, you gotta taste your food. Make sure it tastes, there's enough salt, enough seasoning, whatever. I like tasty food. Yeah, man, I love tasty food. So as you can see here, see it? My peas, everything. My peas is so tender. You can just squeeze it on the side of the pot. See? Look at it. So tender. Yes. The next time I see you or you see me, I'll be putting in my rice.
thank you for watching.